Are you passionate about reading and love the idea of achieving self-development through books? If your answer is yes, then you're certainly in the right place. We are Read and Grow, and we love reading. We've read tons of books and have created numerous animated book summaries. Our goal is to help you read more through comprehensive animated book summaries tailored especially for you. We've created animated summaries on a vast range of topics ranging from emotional intelligence, family life, talent, reading for success. Here at Read and Grow, we help you nurture your love for reading by bringing you exciting book summaries. Every week we post new animated book summaries that will guide you towards success in entrepreneurship, maintaining focus, achieving your goals, and growing as a person. We believe that animated book summaries are a great place to get insight into what a book has in store for you. It offers you the opportunity to take a sneak peek into what you're about to read and build your curiosity, thus motivating you to read. We found that it's also a great way to remind oneself of the major ideas a particular book contains. We humans are apt to forget implementing lessons we've read in books as time goes on. With approximately 5 minutes per day, you can review many of your favorite books. We hope you'll enjoy our effort. Make sure you subscribe to our channel today to get the latest updates of our animated summary uploads.